everyone. Again, today I would like to tell you about the continue to study about the common polygon. After we study about the offset already, we go to polygon. Yes. What is a polygon? Polygon is a common for drawing a polygon and a multiple corner. Yes. And how to use polygon within Script. How to use shortcut polygon and POL enter, and we can enter the number or size when number or specify center of polygon or X, click one point, and if we choose the I, it means that the circle script bit, yes, and specify radius or cycle and click 2 point. You can see this picture like this. Go to AutoCAD. We Now we go to put the POL enter, put the size of number, yes, I mean the enter number or size, enter number or size X, enter, and then we click one point and choose in script bit in cycle, put the radius 200, 2000, yes, 2000. Okay, 2000, I mean the I, we set by I polygon. I mean that we can see the length DAL interpret the simple dimension. I can see 200. It means that equal that we say that I say the put the radius, and then go to polygon set by circumference. Yes, polygon A, enter, click one point into the script bit about the cycle. We put the radius or enter a specify radius of cycle 200. Yes. Yes, I set dimension dim, click 1 2. Yes. Okay, like this. This is the polygon that is set by I and C, and then polygon set 8. Yeah, 8 it means that the corner, the length of corner is the same or equal, yes, or equal like the odds. The simple, you choose to POL enter, specify enter number or size number 8, enter, and specify center of polygon enter, and specify first point. You click point, and we put the length of corner, yes, or the 100. Okay, you can see 100, 100, 100. This is the, it means that the polygon set by 8 or shortcut E. Yes. I put dimension DLI enter, click one point. DAL, okay, yeah, DL, yes, the same. This is by the polygon set by 8. Yes. Okay, yeah. And the first, that's all. Yes, that's all the polygon. And then I apologize when I speak wrong, but today my healthy is problem. Yes, and I mean sick. Yeah, I am sick. Yeah, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.